stocking. What's in that stocking? A Slinky.
A Slinky. What else? No, you don't have to put it back in. You can leave it out.
It's yours.
It's yours.
Ernie. Yeah. Mommy's gonna try to get a better angle. What else?
Hey.
What else is in there?
That's another Slinky! You got 2 Slinkies!
What else? There's something you really like.
Hey, what's this?
Sam.
What's this?
M&M's? Would you like some M&M's?
We can do that. Here, you want to give it to Dad?
Here,
give it to Dad.
Daddy, open.
I'll open it for you. Yeah.
Can you tell Daddy thank you?
Say thank you.
Oh. Let me see. Mmm, so good. Sam, can you sing Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas! That'll work.
Now say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.